Hi, my name is Dylan Gunning, and this is my R2 build. Alright, the next step I'm going to be working on for my R2D2 Dome is painting all the panels which I've already cut, I've polished, and I've sanded off all the burrs and edgings that were left on it from the laser cutting. For the first part, I'm going to be using a primer. This is a primer that I'm going to be using. Looked through all the forums, and this appears to be one of the preferred primers to use. And then also after painting it with the primer, I'm going to be using this paint, which has also been published in the forums, saying that this is probably one of the better paints for it. It is an actual Ford color. It's the Sonic Blue Pearl. I tried going to a couple not hardware stores, auto parts stores. Couldn't really find anybody there. Also, yeah, hardware stores couldn't find them, so I ended up buying this on Amazon. Just look up the Sonic Blue Pearl, perfect match for the Ford, and you're good to go. All right, we're gonna start using the primer on this guy. Okay, that's my first coat. I'm going to do a couple more to get a good even coating. Alright, it's time to apply the second coating of the primer. Again, we're using the Rust-Oleum Universal Primer. Alright, now that the primer is all dried, we've done a couple coats, we're going to go ahead and start painting it with this guy right here. It is a Sonic Blue Pearl. I was able to find a couple cans on Amazon. So let's see how it looks. Alright, I don't think I want to go much more than that for now for the first coat. So we'll be back in a little bit for a second coat. So project I'm currently working on is I've cut out all the panels and we've gone ahead and put a nice primer on it. Got a couple coats on there to make sure it looks nice. Then I went ahead and used this perfect match color. That was the Sonic Blue Pearl, which is actually used on Fords. I was able to find this on Amazon. And then finally, last step we're going to do today, I'll show you in a moment, is we're going to do a protective clear coat finish on the different panels. So here's a close-up look at one of the panels that has been completely painted. As you can see here, it looks really nice. I left the back side of it uncoated so I can also see the number on it. This helps me remember where on the R2D2 Dome it goes. Now check out my next video. I'll be posting in a few days, and I'll be showing you how to do the radar eye. Please feel free to write in the comments below what color paint you might have used on your own R2D2. And don't forget to give us a good thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.